Hey, out here visiting my buddy Pete Romano of Rowdy Roman. He's the official accessory supplier for Onefinity, so we're gonna go see his operation. Yeah, I'm here with Pete of Rowdy Roman, and Pete, what's your deal, man?
Yeah, man.
Pete, tell us about yourself.
Yeah, so I got into 3D printing, I guess, about 4 years ago or so. A friend of mine just let me have one of his old 3D printers and
That's
started
nice.
fooling around with it. He also asked me to start designing stuff on Fusion 360. And then once I learned a little bit about Fusion 360, I just started designing.
So how did you get involved with Onefinity?
I had a friend that was a beta tester for them, and through him just got connected with Onefinity. And when Onefinity was starting out, they had some ideas, and when that startup business was going, man, it was, pedal to the metal.
Yeah.
And they just asked for some design assistance.
What are some of the first things that you really started making for Onefinity and offering to their customers?
Yeah, so the hose boom was first. And then with the different options that they created with the machinist, then the woodworker, and then later the journeyman, I would adapt the hose boom to fit those needs.
So Fusion 360, that's what you use. Did you have any 3D modeling experience prior to doing any of this, or?
No, not really. I was a surveyor for a little bit, so I used CAD there, but that was mainly 2D. So jumping into the 3D world, there was just a lot of hours on YouTube trying to figure it out.
Get out of here. Ha! Threat's been neutralized. All right. Where were we? You had a friend that was into this thing. Is like, hey, learn a whole new discipline. No,
Yeah.
two whole new disciplines. That's awesome.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun though. I thoroughly enjoy the learning and the design process.
Yeah.
The design, when it's the first model and then second model, that can get a little old.
Yeah.
The initial designing, I really love.
Yeah.
The design process.
So usually your first instinct
Yeah.
is, well, mine is always wrong, but
Really, I'm just trying to create a product that's super functional, that fits the needs of the community, that just builds on the Onefinity ecosystem.
Well, your designs they're awesome. So, I mean, having started from no knowledge at all to having some really functional designs that really complement Onefinity machines very well, outstanding job.
Thanks.
So.
Thanks.